Welcome to Gellus application tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to do an application from your natural nail. Start by washing your hands with soap to remove any dirt or oils. Apply SPF to your hands, taking care to avoid your nails, or alternatively use the Gellus UV gloves. Gently push back your cuticles using the curved side of the Gellus nail file or the flat end of an orange wood stick. Using the fine side of the nail file your nails to the desired shape. Using the fine side of the nail file, gently buff the entire surface of each nail. Pay attention to the sides of the nail and make sure the whole nail appears dull from buffing. Brush away the buffing dust with the Gellus dust brush. Apply nail polish remover to a lint-free wipe and thoroughly clean your nails. Apply a thin coat of nail primer and leave to air dry. Apply a thin coat of rubber base coat and cap the free edge. Here I've used clear rubber base coat, but you can use any colour. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of builder gel and cap the free edge. This is called a slip layer. You don't want to cure this step. Here I have used clear builder gel. Apply a small bead of builder gel and push it towards the cuticle area, ensuring it does not touch the skin. Gently move the builder gel from left to right, working up the nail, then cap the free edge. Using your thin nail art brush, pull some builder gel up the nail as this will help even out the application. To create an apex, apply a small bead of builder gel in the center of your stress point and move the builder gel from left to right up the nail. Using your thin nail art brush, pull some builder gel up the nail as this will help even out the application. Alternatively, you can do 1 to 2 thin coats, curing after each coat. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply nail polish remover to a lint-free wipe and thoroughly clean your nails. If your builder gel has bulked the free edge, gently file your nails back to shape. You can buff the surface of your nail to smooth and even out your builder application. Dust your nail with a Gellus dust brush and apply nail polish remover to a lint-free wipe and thoroughly clean your nails. Apply a thin coat of red sass and cap the free edge. To get a clean and tidy application closer to the cuticle, you can use a thin nail art brush. Make sure to remove any gel nail polish from your skin before curing. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a second coat of red sass and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of top coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply Gellus cuticle oil around your nails and rub into your skin to nourish and moisturize. Thanks for watching.